Today, we will learn installing and using the Arduino IDE with physical Arduino Uno board. To start with, you will require a computer, Arduino board, cable, few LED, some switches and few resistors. Or you can simulate on tinkercad.com also. First of all, download the installer zip file from Arduino official site. The link is also given in description. After download is complete, unzip the files. The files need to be unzipped into the location where you want to install Arduino. In case of installer, keep on going as Install Shield guides you. Now get familiar with the IDE, as these details will be required very often. Now connect the Arduino board to the computer, using the cable. Create a new sketch. Or you can open Blink Sketch from built-in examples. Compile the program using Compile button. It should compile successfully in case no errors are encountered. Now select the board you are using. In this case we are going to select Uno. Select the correct serial port for the board. Upload the program to the board. Once uploading is done uploading message will come on the status bar. And done. You have a successful blinking LED now. Enjoy, and that's all for now. We'll be back shortly with more videos on this.